I've just finished wiring up a new air temp sensor. As you can see there, I've got it away from the intercooler and away from the intake. So it's purely on this piece of alloy that's in the pipe. The factory one here apparently is quite susceptible to heat soak, which does make sense. The old intake is directly connected to the head, so it'll just shares its heat around. So I'm hoping with having one there in the intake pipe will actually give me a more accurate reading of the air temp that is going into the engine. That will let me know if the intercooler is actually being efficient or not. So yeah, just done that and added a breathable filter here, air filter. So I've got the front of the turbo plumbed into the catch can, but I'm sort of worried that it's actually creating sort of a vacuum so much that it's actually pulling oil from the catch can out, because I've had intake oil in my intake pipe. So in theory, putting a filter here allows it to sort of suck air and let it breathe. So yeah, that's just teed in. Hopefully it doesn't stink too much, because that was the whole idea with whacking it in the front of the turbos, is to get rid of the smell, because it would sort of stink up the cabin quite bad. So yeah, and now just doing an oil change. Put a new filter in, and some new oil, and we're good to go.
Might be a bit hard to see me, but this is the usual. It's like 5:30 and it's dark out already. Yeah, kind of sucks, can't really do a lot. I don't have a shed, so hence why I haven't done a whole heap of things. I only really get the chance in the weekends to do anything. But yeah, last weekend I got into the shed to do a few things, the oil change and that sort of thing, so all done. But yeah, well, it's just a usual vloggy type video, nothing fancy going on, but stay tuned for more. Going to have more stuff coming. Thanks all for watching.